And the escalating prevalence of early pregnancy and adolescent motherhood, which stands at 28% in the district of Nebbi, West Nile sub-region, has prompted a mentoring and empowerment program for young women, MEMPROW, to organize an advocacy walk to sensitize communities on the value of keeping a girl child in school.
The Nebbi District Woman Member of Parliament, Agnes Asibu, was the chief walk. She applauded MEMPROW Uganda for supporting a girl child education in the region. According to Nebbi District Community Development Officer Okiria Joseph Peter, neglect by parents, sexual abuse, cultural beliefs that promote early marriage are the major contributors.
And there are very many factors. You find that these traditional norms and practices which encourage, for example, teenage pregnancy, dowry taking, traditional dances at night.
Nebbi District has the highest number of teen pregnancies and child mothers registered between October and December 2021, with over 9,000 cases. The situation has been worsened by poor cultural and religious beliefs in the district that ignore defilement. The district prevalence stands at 28%, much higher to the national level of 25%. According to the acting district health officer Nebbi, Dr. Justin Okwairoth, 750 visited antenatal care facilities and over 900 child mothers' deliveries. 17% were under cesarean, which is high.
Cesarean section, one of the indications is obstructed labor, which is more common in young girls because the pelvis is inadequate and the babies cannot pass through, the labor get complicated and the mothers have to be operated.
The director of programs MEMPROW Uganda, Sarah Nakame, says the research attributes this to inadequate education, low socio-economic status, cultural beliefs, and parent neglect, among others.
Let's create a platform for them to be in school, for them to enjoy the right of education, and for them to be better people for themselves, but also for the nation.
As per the intervention, mentoring and empowerment program for young women, MEMPROW organized advocacy work to encourage the community embrace girl-child education and counseling of young girls to make right choices while in school.
So we think that it's very important that we mobilize our stakeholders, we mobilize the children, we mobilize the parents, the leaders together to do this advocacy work, so that we encourage many parents to return their children to school.
Area Woman Member of Parliament, Nebbi District, Agnes Asibu, says many defilement cases remain unreported in some communities, which resulted into home courts.
Anybody who is handling such cases and yet the law does not allow them to handle should be dealt with, as simple as that. And sometimes we find even the parents compromising so that they handle it locally.
However, Emokol Onyango, the deputy RDC, says measures have been intensified with stakeholders to reduce the escalation of the cases.
We are trying to move in their schools and in communities, sensitizing the parents. In case we find a child who is supposed to go to school and you, the parent, you are holding that child at home, we shall arrest you and come and make a statement. Why? Why are you keeping this child at home yet the school is open and we have UPE schools?
MEMPROW Uganda calls for collective efforts from stakeholders at all levels to ultimately empower the girl-child education to diminish teenage pregnancies. Bella Masangano and Bwaita Robert, UB.